Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WooCommerce on WordPress. So first of all, go to plugins, click on add new. Now search for WooCommerce. Now click on install now next to WooCommerce. As soon as the installation is finished, click on activate. Now it will take you to the wizard where you can customize the WooCommerce. First of all, select your desired location for your online store. Then follow the further steps to complete the process of installing the WooCommerce. After the installation is complete, you will be redirected to the WooCommerce homepage where you will be able to further customize your WooCommerce settings. To further customize, just click on Start Customization where you will be headed to the settings for further changes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.